What ethical safeguards are in autonomous navigation systems? Imagine a world where robots and vehicles move around without human help. How do we make sure they do the right thing and stay safe? That's where ethical safeguards come into play. These rules help autonomous navigation systems operate responsibly and build trust with users. One of the most important safeguards is human oversight. This means people stay in control of the system's decisions. Humans set the rules, monitor how the system behaves, and can step in if something goes wrong. It's like having a supervisor watching over the robot or vehicle to prevent mistakes. The level of oversight can vary, but it must be clear who is responsible at each stage. Safety is another big concern. Autonomous systems are tested thoroughly in different environments to make sure they can handle complex situations. They include fail-safe features that activate if something unexpected happens. For example, if a drone detects a sudden obstacle, it should stop or change course to avoid accidents. Balancing safety with cost and efficiency is key. Sometimes, it means making tough choices about how much safety is enough versus what is practical. Transparency is also vital. These systems need to explain how they make decisions. If a self-driving car chooses a certain route, it should be able to tell the driver why. This helps users and regulators understand the system's reasoning and trust its actions. Explainable artificial intelligence techniques are used to make these decisions clearer and easier to follow. Accountability is about knowing who is responsible if something goes wrong. Laws and regulations are being developed to assign blame and liability to manufacturers, operators, or developers. This ensures that if an autonomous vehicle causes an accident, there is a clear way to address it. Protecting privacy is another safeguard. Autonomous navigation systems gather data from sensors and maps to operate. This data can include location information and images of surroundings. Ethical systems handle this data carefully, following privacy laws and asking for user consent. They prevent misuse or unauthorized sharing of personal information. Complying with legal and moral standards is also necessary. These systems are designed to follow international laws, including rules about human rights and safety. For example, military or security autonomous systems must avoid actions that could cause unnecessary harm or violate moral principles. Engaging with the public and stakeholders helps ensure these systems are accepted and used responsibly. Developers seek feedback from communities and experts to align the technology with societal values. This helps address concerns about where and how autonomous navigation is used. Finally, designers face trade-offs. They must decide how transparent to be without revealing sensitive intellectual property or compromising safety. Balancing accuracy, cost, and safety involves careful decision-making with input from engineers, ethicists, and regulators. Practical examples include autonomous cars that allow driver intervention, drones with human-in-the-loop controls, and delivery robots programmed to avoid risky behaviors. All these safeguards aim to make autonomous navigation systems safe, trustworthy, and aligned with human values as they become part of everyday life.